Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about Doge. We're going to be breaking down Doge from a technical analysis perspective, looking at it on the old CMC, and then we're going to be looking at some very interesting price predictions for this asset. And then we're going to be looking at an interesting Doge-based project that I'm very, very bullish on. I think that is 100x potential. That is going to be at the end of the video. But without further ado, guys, let's get straight into this. If you could drop a little like on the video, it does help us out tremendously. And also, let me know what you think of Dogecoin in the comments section. So Dogecoin today, as an update, you can see that we're currently sat at around $15.4 billion in terms of a market cap. Little bit of a dip here over the course of the last couple of hours or so. And we have seen a 1% move to the downside here over the last day, which isn't too crazy, okay? The rest of the crypto markets are sort of chilling right now. So 1% move to the downside here for Doge is absolutely fine. One thing that is bullish is the volume on this asset. The volume on Doge right now is actually up 32%. 32% in the last 24 hours, which is super, super bullish here, guys. Just shows a lot more people are trading Doge out there, and we know what that means. Usually, it can be bullish if the volume is going up. Usually, the asset does as well. So we probably will see a little bit of a spike to the upside here for Doge just overall over the next sort of day or so. And let's go into the chart and let's see what is going on there, okay? So you can see, obviously, since we saw quite a massive dump to the downside, catching this low at around 8 cents, we have seen from that point, basically, quite a nice recovery, right? I think we spoke about this probably last week, basically having a bounce point from the daily volume-weighted ATR band, bouncing up to this Fibonacci area at the 0.236, and just sort of holding around this area for a bit in terms of consolidation. Now, what I'm really looking out for here for Doge is essentially getting up to this level here. If we can get above to this level support here, then there is quite clearly a nice big move to the upside here of around 12.15%. As I said, markets are looking up. There is clearly, again, another level of support around these areas here, which we are sort of holding out really quite nicely above here, which is super bullish. It is super nice to see. And again, just looking for that Fibonacci, the 0.236. I think overall on the macro right now, obviously this is the daily, guys, so we have seen a bit of a pullback from the high, which is absolutely fine. It's not that much of a problem here because we sort of expected this, okay? We expected this to come through, and the next sort of big breakout scenario is going to be the breakout of this this bull flag that we've got forming here, okay? So you can see we do have lovely, lovely levels of resistance here, lovely, lovely levels of support, creating that falling parallel channel. Falling parallel channels, they tend to usually break to the upside, okay? So that's sort of what we're going to be looking for here, and the break point here for Doge is going to be around this point here, guys. And as you can see, we do have the 4-hour volume-weighted ATR band in a digressionary stance, which can be slightly negative if it's done wrong. So we need to basically keep our eyes peeled for that. And if we do get above that, we can be looking for more momentum to the upside. But there is definitely going to be some clear resistance here, especially if this ties in with this bad boy here. And that's why if I do go into a long position after clearing Fibonacci here, I will be looking for a lovely, lovely TP at this sort of zone, okay? But yeah, that is going to be your Doge update today. Could talk a bit about the quantum insight. I mean, you can see we do have lows being put in here quite aggressively on momentum, but stochastic is sort of near enough at that central zone again. So in terms of a bullish confluence, we have pretty much already had that, guys. So yeah, it's basically saying it could go either way on that indicator. Moving on to the Doge-based project that I think has got 100x potential. It is called Play Doge, guys. It's called Play Doge, and basically what Play Doge is, it is the best play-to-earn Doge companion game. Play Doge is the ultimate mobile play-to-earn game that brings the iconic Doge meme to life as a Tamagotchi-style virtual pet. If you guys don't know what Tamagotchis are, they're those little handheld devices where you had little pets and basically like a mini Game Boy, and you looked after it and you cared for it, etc. Now they're doing that, but making it a play-to-earn model and ecosystem. So essentially people will play the game and they'll get paid in cryptocurrency to play it, which is pretty cool. If you want to secure your play tokens, you can. They are hosting a pre-sale right now, and they have just raised $6 million, guys. It's not like a $60,000 play. It's a $6 million raise right now. And this is going to be launching really, really, really soon, guys. If you do want to get involved with this, you can. All the links are in the description. You can get involved with Ethereum, USDT, Card, or even BNB. But yeah, the one that I'm super bullish on that they accept here is Card. You can literally buy it straight from your Visa or MasterCard. Really, really cool. They've been featured on some pretty big sites so far, Bitcoin.com, Binance Square, etc., etc. And there's just a little bit of the UI there, as you can see here. It's going to be available on iOS and Android. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to go check this out, all the links are in the description. Loads of cool stuff going on this site, and also just generally from a decent, reliable project perspective, definitely one that you should be including in your portfolio. That's gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.